San Giorgio Albanese, a village of about 1,000 residents located in the province of Cosenza, in Italy. My name is Aida Cabistany, and I am a student of Marketing and Advertising. I arrived to this small town on the 1st of June, after a day and a half of traveling to stay for 2 months. But what could I expect from a lost town in the south of Italy? At first, I thought nothing, but then everything happened. When you go on Erasmus, nobody tells you that it's hard at first, that you don't know anyone, that you miss your home and your family so much. But little by little, I was integrating myself, learning the traditions and the language above all. On a professional level, I can probably say that I learned to overcome different challenges, to work in a team, and to appreciate different cultures. Liberamente works on a daily basis with different refugee families, helping them to integrate in the Italian society. Thanks to them, I have learned to value the things that really matter, such as the affection of a family, which is how I felt with them. On a personal level, the Erasmus experience has given me things that I would never been able to imagine: friends, knowledge, values, and unique experience above all. Thanks to the people of San Giorgio, I have discovered the true meaning of love. Love for a place, for your work, for a friendship, or even for someone special. For what you do with your time when you're so far away from your comfort zone. In short, this experience has offered me a new home. In the end, the Erasmus is not what people tell you, but the moments you create by yourself. But to understand what I'm talking about, you need to live it.